So now I'll talk about getting a Google Notebook on your cell phone. And to do that, first you just want to make sure that the web browser on your cell phone is XHTML compliant. Basically, if it doesn't work, it's probably not going to be compliant. It needs to have cookies enabled, and it should allow secure SSL traffic. But the easiest way to tell if this is going to work or not, just point your cell phone's web browser to www.google.com/notebook/m. And then you can actually see what this looks like by going on your regular web browser, so I'll kind of show you. And you can see it's just a real stripped down version of the notebooks. And got my unfiled bookmarks, and then my TV notebook and my other notebook. If I actually look at it, you can see all my notes. And of course this would be appearing on a mobile phone, which is why there's so little text here, but you can see how I can actually go to my notes and read the whole things straight from my phone. So in the case of this notebook about the TV, maybe I had a particular TV in here that I wanted to look at the store, and then I forget the name. I could go to my notebooks and find it and find all the information that I've clipped from the web about it. So that's Google Notebooks on your cell phone. And just to wrap up on Google Notebook, I hope you see how useful this could be if you are researching something on the web, how to get all of that research from all those different sites into one place and to easily organize it. And you can do that using Google Notebook. So I hope you found these videos useful.